Welcome back to this session of AutoCAD. In this session, you are going to learn how to create the plan and cross-sectional elevation of a dogleg staircase. Dogleg staircase is one of the most popular type of staircase which is used in residential building as well as public buildings. So without wasting time, let us learn the skill to draw the dogleg staircase. Okay, let us start creating the dogleg staircase. Let us start with line command. Enter. Draw a line. Enter. Offset 3.3, that is the height of the building. The roof height, above the roof. Okay, so divide this into half, that is 3.3, go for calculator, CAL calc, 3.3 divided by 2, it comes to 1.65, okay, offset 1.65, enter, yeah, okay, now let me directly start creating the steps. Just keep watching. Line. Okay. Press F8 ortho 1. Okay. 0.15, that is the rise. 0.3, that is the tread. 0.15. 0.3. I'll just copy this. Copy. F8 off so you can move freely. Okay, so you reach the halfway. Just delete this. Now go for mirror, MIRROR, mirror. Just select this and mirror it exactly, just as the way I am doing. So you have this staircase outline now. Okay. Offset landing 1.2 and the top 2 1.2. This forms your landing. Just draw this line again. F8 on. Okay, this two. You can use any command to extend this line here. Lot of commands are there. Okay, so offset 0.3, that is the width of the wall here. Again 0.3. Okay. Okay, just extend this. Later on we'll trim all these things. Okay. Yeah, this is the. Okay. This too. Let's see what to do with all these things later on. Right now, okay. Now I'm concentrating, focusing on the steps here. Okay. See, just join these lines here somewhere. Yeah. Okay. Just join these lines here. Offset 0.05. Okay. Just remove this line here. Okay, there's offset 0.15, this is the landing here, and trim, all is gone, yeah, we have this landing here, extend, okay, now similarly, extend here, EX, okay. We'll do the same thing here, just join any 2 points here, then offset 0.05, this is nothing but the base slab thickness, 0.05, we got the base slab. Okay, similarly offset 0.15 here, yeah, extend till here, okay. Now extend. See, we are almost On the way of creating this staircase, just trim this. We don't require all the lines here. Just trim. Okay. And the width of the wall is how much distance? Check the distance. This must be 0.3. Okay, 0.3. Foundation will take 0.4. Yeah. So line, this becomes 0.2. We are getting just a symbolic foundation here. This foundation is to be designed later on. We are not focusing on the foundation. We are focusing on the staircase here. But anyhow, you have to show some symbolic foundation here. So line 0.2, 0.45, 0.1. Just draw here like this. Now go for mirror. Mirror. Select this. Okay. Make sure F8 is on. Okay. Draw a cut line here or break line, what is called. Okay. There's also a command called break line which you can try. I'll show if time permits. I'll show that right now. Okay. Now you can have this BH to dense 0.15. Okay. 0.2 is okay. Yeah. Okay. That's it. Press enter. Then just use copy. You can type here dt text leader. Enter. Okay. Education foundation to design. It's understood. This foundation is again to be designed by the structural designer who will come out with the best solution for whatever building this is. Okay, copy. Again, go to, yeah, that's it. Okay, all this unwanted stuff you have to remove. Some unwanted stuff comes when you copy, and just have to remove all this. And because this is part of the foundation, trim. Yeah, now foundation is done. Okay, offset 0.1. This is the foundation or the flooring bed, concrete bed. Okay, everything is coming out as per our plan. So that's it. Now we'll put some concrete inside here. This is the flooring, offset 0.02. You have to show the flooring. Okay. Okay. Trim. Yeah. Okay. BH. Go for concrete. Where is concrete here? Okay. Big points. Just brick inside. See the preview. It's too big. The scale, make it 0.1. It's again too big. 0.06 is okay, I think. 0.04 is seems to be okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's it. Then again, same thing here to this thing and this here floor bed. Okay, it's perfect. Now let us show the door here. Door, you know, it's 2.1 meter height. So offset 2.1. Let's put here. Okay, now you have this the lintel height. Okay, mid to perpendicular. Offset 0.02. Okay, then trim here, cross. Okay, offset 0.1. This is what the lintel BH, this is concrete. Yeah, okay. Now everything seems to be fine. Here too you need to cut this portion here. So I'll tell you what this break line is. You use the command break line and see what happens. See, this is the break line command. Enter. It creates a break line for you. Yeah, trim. Okay. Now BH. Okay, we'll go for the wall. Yes, click again, click here, enter. See the preview. It seems to be too dense. Again, point 1 is again dense, 0.15. Again a little bit dense, make it 0.2, 0.25. Yeah, it seems to be okay. Press enter. And now let us put the railing here, line 0.45. Yeah, good. 0.45. Yeah, here there's a line here which I had left earlier. On this line 0.45. Yeah, good. Yeah, now again here too we need to have one line here for a distance of 0.3. Okay, line 0.45. Okay, join this line here. This indicates the railing. Okay, so the railing on the other side also is visible, so you can join this railing here. From here to here you can join, doesn't matter. Okay, you can put lines here, copy, or you can just leave it. If you want to show lot number of railings, you can just do this. Just it increases the design value, that's all, but technically it's all the same. Okay, same thing. Okay, then again this line you can show this here. So this indicates that there is a railing again, because you are going up the steps like this, landing here and again going here and going to the top floor. Now let's put the dimensions. So let us see how much this landing width is, what is the height of the building, and all those things we'll check out. Okay. Trim, we can just trim all these things here. Okay, now so go for dim horizontally. So what is the distance here? It should be 1.2. It is 1.2. Okay, 1.2. Similarly, the landing should also be 1.2. Okay, I'm taking some other point here, so it starts actually from here. So 1.2 is okay. Yeah, similarly here too it has to be 1.2. Again the same mistake. Okay, yeah, 1.2. The landing, the height of the building should be, let us see, 3.3 meters vertical. Okay, it is 3.3. The lintel height should be 2.1. Yeah. Okay, 2.1. Everything is perfect. Okay, what is the riser? Okay, it is 0.15. Yes, no problem. Then what is the tread? This should be 0.3. Yeah, it is 0.3. The dimension is going out. Don't worry, just click on this and say move text only. You bring it here wherever you want. You can place it. Okay, move text only. Okay, just press F8 so that it works smoothly. Okay, the tread is 0.3 and the rise is 0.5. What about the waistline here? So go for dim our aligned. That works perfectly here. Okay, so this is a 0.05. Okay, you can just reduce the dimension. The text is too big, modify. For that particular case, you can just modify the text height. So what is the text height? 0.05, so I'll make it 0.02. Apply, close. Okay, close. See, the text has gone down, the size of the text has gone down. Place it wherever you want. That's it. Finish. The thickness of the iris size all can be reduced. We're going to dim. Already studied in the video where you can study the different dimension types and how to create all those dimension styles. You can go to my video and check out the details there. Okay, just put the text here, DT. This is the ground floor. So this is the ground floor. Just move this, and on the top one, just copy this to the top. This is the landing. Right click, edit. If it's too small, you can just make it a little bigger. Right click, properties. Go to the text here, height 0.02, 0.05, can make it, yeah, it's okay. It seems to be okay. Let's see, okay. Okay, just copy this text style here. Match properties, just match this. Match. This one so that it looks same. Okay, now again just copy this to the top here. All this has to be done smoothly and swiftly. Okay, right click, edit. You can also use dd edit command. So this is the first floor. Okay, so that's it. Now you did not hatch this here or show him because this is the ground floor. You are traveling up like this, going towards your left, and you reach the top floor. So that's it. So they hatch. You can just inherit properties here and place it here and here, so that the job is completely done. This thing you can just trim this all cross. All this stuff is not required. All this remove it, just remove it and refill it. BH, okay, pick points. So job done. Okay, you have everything here, foundation, everything. You have the rails here. Okay, see this hatching here, it's gone here. Okay, press. Okay. Now let us draw the plan. Extend these lines here. Okay, it should be on. Here, usually the plan is drawn first and then we go for the section. But here we are doing the case opposite. We are just first creating the section and then going for the plan. That is how it's done in creating designing a staircase. Offset point. Okay, trim this. You can trim this cross. Okay, finish. Okay, offset. The landing width is 1.2. So I'll first take 1.2. Just watch what I'm doing, and you can recreate it. Offset 0.1. This is the what is called as the well. We'll see. You will see how I'm going to use this. Okay, offset again 1.2. Just click this here and here. Okay, just click this. Okay, now it's okay. Offset 0.3. Yeah, now everything seems to be falling in place. Trim, cross. You can delete all this stuff here. Okay, something, some corner needs to be joined. Fillet, always radius should be 0. Check out, yeah, 0 it should be. Fillet. Okay. Yeah, that's all. Everything is perfect. Now trim. You can say, you can select everything here, then go around trimming. Whatever you do, technically it should be correct. Here, see this extend, you can use this command extend to join this here, and again trim. There are different ways of doing the same thing. With experience, you will come to know how to go about a job in different ways. Offset 1.2 again. Okay, offset 1.2 and again here. Now trim, cross, type C for cross. Okay, now you have this step here. See the same thing what you did here. 0.3 offset 0.3, that is nothing but the thread actually. Thread. Perfect. Yeah. Trim, cross, remove the inner portion. Press enter. Okay. Trim, cross. Okay. This you can remove this you can remove this and go for fillet, because this is the portion where you take a turn, so the railing has to bend like this. Yeah, now show the direction starting from here to there and somewhere here. Okay, you can just draw a triangle here showing, indicating that you're going up. Okay, mirror. Okay, BH, just to shade it. Yeah. CP. Now just type up here. Right click, edit, caps, Okay, so this indicates that you are climbing the stair from this side and going up. Okay, now show the door, because in section we are shown a door here. So where does the door come here? Obviously it comes from the place where you go up. So let me show you how to create this door here. Offset 0.3. Okay, good. Extend, trim. Okay, offset 1.2. This is the door width. Trim, cross. Yes. Okay. Copy. Let's show the door here. Okay, so this is the door here. You can make it a little big or small, doesn't matter. So this is the plan here. So you have a plan and section. Just type the text here. Just place here. Okay, you can type plan of dog. Okay, similarly you can make it a little bit bigger. Properties. Okay, it's 0.05. You can make 0.1. Yeah, seems to be okay. Copy. Okay, this is the sectional elevation through AA. So where is the A actually? You have to show the A. Okay, how to show the cross section line here? Just type line command. Start from here, press F8 here. Okay, so draw an arrow here. It's a polygon, 3 sides, edge, E, enter. So you have a nice triangle here. Move. Okay, if you want you can hatch it, BH. Okay, text again, DT. You can say A. Size seems to be a little smaller. Go to properties. You can always do this. No need to keep on creating new textiles. So this is 0.1. Okay, good. Let's copy this here. Now how to convert this into a dotted line, because section line has to be shown in dotted line. So you have to go to DDL type. You already have here one center line, dotted line here. If you don't have, always go to load. You can select whatever you want, then give OK. Okay, so already I have this center too, so no need to worry. Okay, I'll select this. Go to properties, right click, properties. Go to line type here. You have center. Okay, it seems to be too the distance between the lines is too much. Type scale, say 0.2. This seems to be okay. Leave it as it is. So this is section AA. Okay. So this completes your staircase, cross section, and the plan. If something is missing here, you can always go and say inherit properties. Just copy this and place it here. Finish. So this completes your dog leg staircase plan and sectional elevation. I'm ending this video. The next video will be coming very soon. Just wait for that. In the meantime, just watch this video, study it in detail. If you have anything to share with me, just use the comment box and go ahead and type your questions there. You can share your experiences, and also don't forget to share it with your friends, particularly all those young polytechnic and engineering students who are right now busy creating their own projects, and all those engineers who want to learn AutoCAD fast enough and all the techniques. So this is the video for all those guys. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.